If there's one thing to do to build your brand and attract customers, do this. Invest in content marketing and blogging. Yes, it's still a thing. In a world where consumers are bombarded with information, standing out requires more than just traditional advertising. Content marketing, especially through blogging, is still a powerful way to showcase your expertise, engage your audience, and build long-term trust with potential customers. Many small business owners underestimate the impact of content marketing, thinking it's just about writing a few blog posts. But in reality, when done right, content marketing can be the cornerstone of your business growth strategy. So how do you make content marketing and blogging work for your business? Great question, glad you asked. By consistently creating valuable content that resonates with your target audience. Imagine you're a financial advisor. Blogging about personal finance tips, investment strategies, or retirement planning can position you as a trusted expert in the field. Or if you're in the fitness industry, sharing workout plans, nutrition advice, and success stories can attract and retain clients who see you as a go-to resource. The key is to focus on content that educates, inspires, and addresses the specific needs of your audience. There's two key components of successful content marketing and blogging: value and consistency. Let's break those down. First, value. The content you create should provide real value to your readers. It's not just about pushing your products or services all the time. It's about answering questions, solving problems, and offering insights that your audience finds helpful, whether it's how-to guides, expert tips, or in-depth articles on industry trends. The goal is to create content that your audience wants to read, share, and come back for more. Next, consistency. Consistency is crucial in content marketing. It's not just enough to publish a blog. To build an engaged audience, you need to show up regularly with fresh, relevant content. Create a content calendar, plan out your topics in advance, and stick to a publishing schedule that works for you. Over time, this consistently will pay off, and you'll build a loyal readership that looks forward to your next piece of content. The best part, when you combine valuable content with consistent publishing, you're not just creating a blog, you're building a resource that attracts traffic, generates leads, and drives business growth. So remember, focus on providing value and staying consistent with your content marketing, and you'll create a blog that becomes an integral part of your business's success. Want to learn a lot more about growing and scaling your business? Then you know what you need to do. Come to the next Small Business Expo event. We'll see you there. It's free.